Senior linebacker Brandon Hepburn is one of Florida A&M's most prestigious athletes. The New York native originally received an academic scholarship to attend FAMU. He says being a student athlete can be tough.
Playing football is a full-time job as long as going to school. So, a lot of athletes aren't able to do what some of my teammates and I have been able to do and graduate within 4 years. So, there was a lot of hard work that went into it, a lot of summers that were away from home here on the Hill, and I'm just glad that I had the opportunity to do so.
Hepburn was named in the 2012 All-State American Football Coaches Association's Good Works team, which honors student athletes for their community involvement. The former president of the Rattler Association of Chemists once referred film to lab studies.
This film study would be more like the classroom, and taking it out into the practice field will be the lab. It's the practical application of the wisdom you're learning, while you're sitting down in the AC. It's a lot different than when you're out there on the field running around hitting people. After
the Savannah State game last week, Hepburn told us it felt good to win their third conference game.
We're on top of the conference right now, and that's where we're going to stay. We're going to work hard this week towards beating South Carolina State, and it's just a great feeling to get a win.
As a leader on the field and in the classroom, Hepburn is known to give his all. His teammates say he is definitely someone you can count on. Patrick Scott says he has learned a lot from him.
He's a great leader. Hepburn's a guy who, he's vocal, but most importantly, he leads by example. You won't find somebody who's as dedicated as him, as driven as him, as passionate as him, who carries himself in a way that, he doesn't just talk the talk, he actually walks it.
The grad student says this week's goal is to shut out South Carolina State.
We're going to be dissecting the film, find out what South Carolina State is trying to do offensively, and we're going to come up with our counterattack defensively so we'll be able to dominate this game like we did last.
From the classroom to the field, Hepburn has managed to balance being an athlete and a student. Rattler fans can see the doctor in action tonight against South Carolina State. At Bragg Memorial Stadium, I'm Sequoia Powell.